The first thing I do when I wake up is look at Gobi, who's normally sleeping next to me, and give her a pat and a kiss.
I wake up at the latest 5 o'clock in the morning. Then I, stumble down into the kitchen and I make a big pot of coffee. With no coffee, I can't function. My mind doesn't work if I don't get the caffeine. I am a caffeinist. Is that a word? Now it is.
That's a difficult question, whether I'm a dog or a cat person. So I have a cat and a dog, so I really couldn't choose between the two of them. I love them both dearly. I'm a dog person.
I'm probably more of a cat person, but then I'm allergic too. And I like the cat personality. I don't care about anything, and they show you their behinds, and just walk away. For me, that's sort of cool behavior. Yes, cats.
The book has lots of messages from, act of kindness, looking after one another, being there for many animals, etc. But also the main question, or the main answer for me, is to really help others realise that they can get more out of their life as well. And my story can show that you can go from the Gobi Desert to Croatia, and Gobi's done that.
But my message is learn how to understand other people, learn how to communicate in a better way. And don't use yourself as a role model all the time, because then you will get lost sooner or later, mostly sooner. Open up your mind and listen more to others than we probably do today.
I like living in Chamonix, where I live now, but if I had the choice, I would probably move to China, because I love the people and I love the food.
In a castle somewhere, on the countryside, old castle, 1,000 years or something, with, towers and stone stairs and things. That would be cool. With a ghost, has to be a ghost. 2 ghosts, friendly ghosts, yeah.
If I was on a talent show, I'd probably sing some country and western, specifically Johnny Cash, who I love, but I'm not going to sing any of it for you now. There's no way I'm singing on camera. Your ears would bleed.
Oh, sole mio, probably. I can talk and sound okay, but I can't sing. It sounds strange, weird. No, I can't sing, no singing.
If the day lasted twice as long, I would enjoy it twice as much as I normally do. I mean, that would be fantastic. I'd have twice as much time to pat Gobi. It's a tough job looking after her and patting her all day, and she would love all of the attention.
If you're good at something, then you should do more of it. If you like something, you should do more of that. I'm good at what I do and I like it, so I would do more of that, actually. Easy peasy.
The most important thing that I've learned in life is to be honest, to be yourself, and to be kind to others. I've learned that really through experience and being out on my own, leaving home from a very early age. I had to depend on myself, so I learned the sort of habits that I think are successful in life, and that's one of them.
Maybe it was to finally shut up. It sounds silly, but the thing is, when I was younger, I talked all the time. That was my yellow behavior, talking, because I thought I had so many brilliant things to say all the time. Sometimes I probably had, but usually people told me, could you please, take it down a notch? The biggest aha moments was when I finally realized I shouldn't talk that much, I should start to listen, because I learned the hard way. When I speak, I only hear things I already know, right? So the only way to learn new things was to actually shut up.